to increase PHP's post max size value using CloudLinux's Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Scroll down. Now click Select PHP Version icon. Then click the Options menu. If this Options page shows a warning message related to the PHP native version, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. Scroll down. The current max size for the post method is 8 megabytes. Its value lies anywhere between the values of upload max file size and memory limit. Now change the post max size value as per your requirements. Success! The post max size value has increased. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.